If you want to compare Groove AI to ChatGPT, you really have to watch this case study. And this is something that I really wanted to show you, especially after I got access to the alpha version of Groove AI. But besides that, I have also been playing around with ChatGPT, and even when I prepared this video for you, I jumped around different chats, and this chat did not load. What in this case study will blow your mind, especially if you have only been using ChatGPT so far. So this case study is all about how to write high-ranking blog posts, and this was something that I saw in a recent presentation in an interview that Mike Filsame did with Dan, and Dan basically had the following problem. So he wants to rank on Google. His website has very low domain authority, and his approach really is to write long, in-depth articles that combine different topics. And he has been using ChatGPT, but ran into many different problems, especially with this special method that I will show you how to do in this video. So if you want to rank high, if you want to have a high SEO score on your blog post, stay tuned, watch the video until the end, because I will reveal step by step of how you will be able to do this with Groove AI, and it's much faster than anything that you could do with ChatGPT. Essentially, what Dan did before he got access to Groove AI as well, he used to publish blog posts. It took him roughly 4 hours. He used 6 to 7 different steps, copy pasting the text, the output into different chats between apps and thumbs and all of that. And basically it was a lot of work for him. And what he did was, or his strategy was really, his goal was to rank for long tail keywords that no one else uses. A typical SEO based strategy that has been around forever, basically. If you want to create high ranking blog posts, here's the step-by-step process. First, you really have to create 3 different tabs. These are essentially ChatGPT threads. If you want to do this in ChatGPT, you would open 3 different chats, and in the first one you would call researcher 1, the second one would be researcher 2, and then the next step would be to have one primary chat. In ChatGPT, typically you would use a prompt like act like a seasoned SEO writer like Neil Patel. In Groove AI here, you would basically set a preset to act like SEO expert Neil Patel, and then define your target audience, your avatar, and your reading level. You apply some rules and some custom additions if you like. So this is really if you want to create content on scale with the same tone of voice that is AI generated but sounds just like you, or the voice that you actually want to put into your writing. So with Groove AI in the future, compared to ChatGPT, you will get the same consistent output, especially if you train it on articles that you have already written. But that's how it works with ChatGPT versus Groove AI. But the next step is really to do the research. This could be a typical, like in this example, it was Six Sigma, like really ask ChatGPT everything that it knows about Six Sigma. And then the next step is to ask ChatGPT, after it gives you the output, everything that it knows about Six Sigma, basically is to ask for keywords. Which are the keywords that contain the information that ChatGPT did give you? And then essentially the next step, number 5, is you do research on a second topic. For example, in this case, it was around, I think, leadership, something like this. You ask ChatGPT essentially what are best practices for leadership, and then you again asked for keywords on the topic of leadership. And then in the next step, you copy all this information into the primary chat, because if you don't do this, essentially ChatGPT will take the first information that you have and then combine it, mix it with the second topic. So you really want to use these different topics separately, and that's why you want to use different chats. So ChatGPT in each chat has only one core topic. So whenever you try to mix things in one chat, ChatGPT, the chats will get too long, and ChatGPT essentially will forget what it's talking about and will give you, it will hallucinate essentially. If you, after you've done the research on two different topics, you basically you ask for keywords on the topics, you copy this into your primary chat, so ChatGPT knows exactly what kind of, has all the information to write a good blog post on this. And then essentially after you've done that, you write the blog post. You have ChatGPT or Groove.ai write the blog post, and then you do the formatting right within one user interface. So you do not have to copy between Google Docs or any of the other things, and then you can just use Groove.ai. You can expand this here, for example, in this was a test that I did. You can expand this, and then you can do all the formatting here that you want. Let's make this a headline number 3 or whatever. Like you can create all the formatting that you want, turn this into posts and do the linking and everything. You do that in Groove.ai, and then you just publish it, you check it, you make sure that everything is written correctly, and then you just publish the blog post. Here in this case study, obviously they used Groove Blog from the Groove Funnels or Groove CM system, the system that Mike Felsheim also created. But you can also push this to WordPress or any other platform where you blog, and then you really enjoy your SEO score, because the blog article will target all the long tail keywords that you had trouble coming up with or integrating into the text before, and then that's how you reach and enjoy a super high SEO score. And before Dan implemented this strategy, like, he was struggling to get an SEO score of 30, something around that, and now he's able to get consistent 86 scores and higher with this. If you like this case study, I recently invested over $4,000 into a ChatGPT mastermind, and I will share, if you decide Groove.ai is right for you, I will give you access not only to everything that I've learning inside this ChatGPT mastermind, stuff that really blows my mind. You will also get access to my Facebook marketing course that will teach you how to get high paying clients on Facebook. So you can use Groove.ai in combination, Groove.ai to create content, and my course to get clients on scale using the methodologies, using smart automation tools that you also get access inside the program, and combination with AI. So if that's interested to you, just go click the link somewhere below this video in this video description, or go to adsmadefree.com/groove-ai, and you will find a page where you can get the bonus. So again, this is the case study that Dan and Mike Felsheim created, and if you like this, please this video, and if you want to know more about the bonus that I'm offering, just go to adsmadefree.com-ai, or watch the video that I recently published about the bonus. The bonus and the is only available during this launch of Groove.ai, which lasts until the end of August. If you want to get Groove.ai for a lifetime price with a special deal, with a special lifetime deal, you really want to buy this month, because afterwards they plan to turn this into a recurring program. They have a white label option and something like this, so I believe they have to stick to their pricing. And so the best reason to get Groove, or to choose Groove.ai basically over ChatGPT, is because the workflow is so much easier than everything compared to do this before. And this is from someone who has been using Groove.ai only recently. Like, the platform is still in the alpha level. Not all the features are working, but it's already, like, it's saving me so much time in my workflows for creating swipe files, emails, copy, things like this. But I'm really looking forward to also be using it for creating social media posts on scale, for creating blog posts, for everything. Like, it makes things so much easier, even with the version that I have access to right now. So I hope you like this video, and let me know your thoughts on Groove AI in the comments, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you in the next video.